We have the Soundrise Pro-5 Speaker Stands. These are professional grade speaker stands. They're gonna improve your sound clarity. They have a flexible top plate to reduce the vibrations from your speakers. They are made out of premium aluminum. They are built solid. They feel great. They are built to last. They also offer a lifetime warranty with them. They're made in the USA, and Soundrise offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and free shipping to the US. You can't beat that deal. Now, my personal take on these speaker stands is that they're designed for audio production, but I think gamers, video editors, and anyone with an office that has tight desk space can benefit from these stands. You're gonna wanna save valuable desk space by lifting up your speakers off your desk. It's just gonna look professional, sleek, modern looking, and you can use foam, but you wanna really make your desk look great. So these are a very quick and easy way to get better sound from your speakers within seconds. So the Pro-5s, they are optimized for 5-inch studio monitors, and they support up to 18 pounds each, and they also offer different color variations on these. So if you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel to help support it. Thanks for watching, guys.